Copper is a natural metal that has a distinct color, like a penny. It not only has a distinct color, but it also conducts heat and electricity very well. Because of this, copper is often used to make wire. In fact, it is the second most used metal in electrical conductance. Copper is found around the world in alluvium deposits, granitic, and basaltic rock. The largest amounts of copper are found in the crust in bodies known as porphyry copper deposits. These deposits were once large masses of molten rock that cooled and solidified deep in the Earth's crust. As they cooled, some large crystals grew, which were then surrounded by smaller crystals. Geologists call these rocks porphyries. The way by which copper is extracted is called leaching. Leaching is a process in which weak acids are allowed to seep through copper-bearing rocks, dissolving the copper and other minerals present in the soil. The leached liquid contains PLS, or pregnant leach solution. Basically, the leach liquid that contains the dissolved copper. There are three main types of leaching: in situ leaching, dump leaching, and heap leaching. When the PLS is collected, it is sent to a solvent extraction plant to remove the copper. It is a two-step process. In the first step, the PLS is mixed with an organic solvent that selectively binds to copper, physically separating it from the rest of the solution. In the second step, the organic copper solution is combined with a mixture that strips the copper from the organic solution. Copper is not decomposable, so when it is absorbed into the soil, it accumulates on plants. This causes the organic matter in the ground to slow down because it kills earthworms and microorganisms. Animals are at risk when they eat the plants because the copper absorbs into their bodies. Copper runoff from agriculture is extremely toxic to aquatic life, acutely and chronically. Copper also causes radiation pollution due to the uranium-rich soils that copper is frequently mined in. The effects of copper pollution can be seen in this disaster in Jiangxi province in China.
China's largest copper producer is being blamed for water pollution that's affecting hundreds of thousands of people in eastern Jiangxi province. Residents there say wastewater from mining activities is flowing into a major river, contaminating farmlands and damaging the health of locals.
As of right now, Mexico, Arizona, Colorado, and California require groundwater monitoring for tailings piles. In Arizona specifically, projects normally require a joint EPA-ADEQ permitting process. The best way to go about minimizing environmental impact is to test groundwater and ensure that there is no negative impact on drinking water and animal habitats.